Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to OMNI Academy and Consulting. I am Uzair Ahmed and today my topic is ZOHO CRM configuring Google ReCAPTCHA. So to create a Google ReCAPTCHA, we have to follow these steps. Number one is navigate to developer space, web form, then select your form in which you want to add a Google ReCAPTCHA, then press edit button, then select advanced field and drag and drop reCAPTCHA on form. After that, add a key, side key and secret key of your website. Now go to the application and let's configure a Google reCAPTCHA. First, log in into the ZOHO CRM with your login ID and password. And click on settings. Now developer space and web forms. Select your form in which you want to edit a Google reCAPTCHA. I am selecting inquiry CRM test. So this is the form. Now press edit button to edit the form. On the left side, click on advanced field and drag and drop the reCAPTCHA. You can also add a standard CAPTCHA in this form. And now I am using the reCAPTCHA. Add your label for reCAPTCHA. Now add your side key and secret key. You can change the theme of the CAPTCHA and check on acknowledgement and save. Now press next button and add your form details here which are already added and save. Now copy your code and create a HTML file to test. Query HTML and save it. Now open your file and you can see the Google reCAPTCHA here. After added on the website, the error will remove automatically. Thank you for joining us. I am Uzair Ahmed from OMNI Academy and Consulting.